Assalamu alaikum guys, hopefully you all are doing good. My name is Shahzev Ahmed and welcome to Sell Sky. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a new update that Amazon have just announced a few days ago that you can now use generative AI to automate product listing creation. As you know that AI have uh, just changed everything. Now AI is being used very frequently, and in every single day, we all use AI to perform many tasks. If you want to write an email, you can use AI to generate email. If you want to write an application or anything in any regards, AI is very helpful and being used very frequently by everybody nowadays. So Amazon saw it, and Amazon enrolled in AI, and they introduced AI to automate product listing creation. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how we can use this generative AI to automate product listing creation. So, first of all, what Amazon says is that you can now use artificial intelligence AI to create high quality product listings that are actually tailored to Amazon's store. That basically Amazon is saying that now you can use generative artificial intelligence or AI to create high quality product listings that also don't violate the Amazon rules and regulations and all that. To get started, simply go to list your products and use one of the following options. Now you'll have to go to list your products or add new product, and now the add new product interface is all changed. I'm going to talk about it later, but it's the interfaces with all changed. Next, enter a few keywords to describe your product in keywords tab, and then click create new listing from the search result page. Now what you have to do, when before you go to add product, and you can simply click on add new product, but now you have to describe your product by adding a keyword in the keyword tab. Then when you add that keyword, then you can create new listing. Then the create new listing option appears along with many more products as well. We'll talk about it later. But next is click the product image tab to upload a product image from your device. Now when you go to the keyword section and you have clicked create new listing, then you can see the generative AI tab where you can use uh, keywords as well as product images to tell Amazon to create new content for it. So next one is click the blank form tab to access generate listing content and directly enter a few keywords or upload a product image. It's the same like you can add keywords as well as product images in that blank form or in that keywords tab, and Amazon will generate content according to your image and according to your keywords that you have already added in it. So the tool will then generate the product title, bullet points, and description attribute content that you can review and edit. That when you have added specific keywords and as well as images, Amazon will create bullet points, title, and description for you according to your specific information that you have added or specific keywords that you have added in that AI section. Before you publish generated content to the Amazon catalog, we recommend that you review it thoroughly and ensure all product details are accurate. That Amazon is also saying like AI is not that at that level is not perfect. So Amazon is also saying that if you want to enroll in Amazon's AI, then what Amazon suggests, you'll have to check it thoroughly when you are ready to make your product listing. So what you have to do, that Amazon will write you content like product description, its bullet points and its title, but Amazon is also saying you that please check it thoroughly because it's an AI. It can make obviously it can make mistakes. So if you have added that content that's not related to your product, so it will very annoying, and will the you'll not get any kind of um, sales and all that. Or generative to AI tools are constantly learning and evolving. We are actively developing powerful new capabilities to make generated AI listing more effective and make it even easier for you to list product. Now, Amazon is saying that we are working on our AI and making it more and more reliable and all that, so that you can make more effective and uh, good listings. So now it's an early access of this generative AI, and yeah, definitely any kind of AI can make mistakes. So be aware of that. You should must check uh, if there is any mistake regarding your product. So what you have to do to check the AI, or what you have to do to add a new product nowadays, is go to catalog and click on add product. This step is the same, but when you go to the add product, you can definitely see there's a massive change in here. The interface is being changed A to Z. Everything is changed here in the interface, but don't worry. What you have to do is just search your specific keyword. For example, I'm selling hairdressing scissors, so I'll type hairdressing scissors in it and simply search it. When I search it, I can see a lot of hairdressing scissors. If you want to do me too with somebody or your wholesaler, you can provide specific information and then apply to sell. But if you want to create new listing, then you can go straight to create new listing, and yeah, your this type of interface will be there. So now you can see the generate listing content early access. Like, this is the AI tool that Amazon was talking about. You see, I can add keywords here. Like, I have added hairdressing scissors. Like, I can go more further for barbers and for home use as well. So I write these kind of some keywords. I can also upload image of my product as well, but I'm not adding yet. Then I'll generate content. When I generate content, you can see the item name: hairdressing scissor for barbers and home use. Okay, so this is the as Amazon have already told about it, that we are working on it, and making it more reliable. Now it's not that reliable, but for those who don't wanna um, uh, uh, pay to a content writer, or in these kind of situations, you can use generate you can generate AI content to add in your listing. So item name is this. If you're okay with it, then you can go next. If you're not okay with it, you can just simply edit it as well. If you want to edit the AI keywords, you can also edit them as well. Then create content, and it will definitely create content for you. Next, product type, you select the category, and then the category when the category is being selected, you just simply go to brand name and just go to next. When you go to next, yeah, UPC exemption is approved. Okay, so when generative listing content, you can see in the description there is also a generate listing content. So what it does, that the keywords that you have already added in it, you can also add an image. Then you when you create content, it creates title as well as the product description and bullet points as well. So I have not added product description yet in it, but it has already added product description. As you can see, when I go to bullet points, there are already 5 bullet points added. So it's a very mind-blowing thing, and it's a very interesting thing that how Amazon is being changing itself very much. Like, Amazon is trying to do everything to just make yourself feel comfortable. So if you are that kind of person who don't want to waste time on writing content, or don't want to pay the any amount to the content writer, you can simply use the Amazon's AI, so that you can write the title, the description, and bullet points. You can add more and more information to get more and more specific descriptions, specific bullet points, more and more information to get a better and better title, description, and bullet points. So that's today's video. Hopefully you don't have any doubt about it. But if still you have questions or have doubt, you can definitely ask me in the comment section. I'll make sure to reply you. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions about the next video or anything, any suggestion, you can just simply tell me in the comment section. That will be very appreciable. Thanks for watching again. Allah Hafiz.